Miss the classic Windows 10 taskbar? In less than a minute, I'll show you how to move the Windows 11 taskbar icons back to the left. While you're there, I'll also show you two quick settings that make your taskbar cleaner and give you more screen space. These changes only take about a minute, but they can make Windows feel more familiar, cleaner, and easier to use. Let's start by moving the taskbar icons back to the left. First, let's move the taskbar icons back to the left. If you used Windows 10, this layout will probably feel much more natural. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar. Then click Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and open Taskbar Behaviors. Open the Taskbar Alignment menu. Then choose Left. Your taskbar icons immediately move back to the left. It looks more familiar, and your most used apps stay where you expect them. Now that the icons are back where you expect them, let's make the taskbar a little cleaner. The next setting gives you a little more screen space without removing the taskbar. While you're still in Taskbar Behaviors, turn on Automatically Hide the Taskbar. The taskbar disappears whenever you're not using it. Move your mouse to the bottom of the screen, and it instantly comes back. If you're using a laptop or simply want a cleaner desktop, this gives you a little more room to work. There's one more quick setting that makes the taskbar even cleaner. The search box can take up more space than it needs to. Scroll back to the top of Taskbar Settings. Find Search. Open the menu. Then choose Search Icon Only. You'll still have one-click access to search while freeing up extra space on your taskbar. With these three quick changes, your taskbar looks cleaner without losing any of its features. In just a minute, you've moved the taskbar back to the left, created more screen space, and cleaned up the taskbar without losing any functionality. They are small changes, but they make Windows feel much more comfortable to use every day. Do you prefer the centered taskbar or the classic left-aligned layout? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Windows tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.